hours away from tuning. I got the 5-gallon here, fill it up with some E85. I'm excited. I'm not gonna get any sleep tonight. It's Tune Day! Tune Day! Yo, I could not sleep last night. You already know I woke up early as hell. It was the same thing for a car event or something, you know. It'd be like that. But right now, I'm on the way to go pick up the car. It is 8:30 a.m. And I usually can't wake up in the morning, but I've been up. I'm ready. So I can't wait to see how much this car makes. Comment below how much you think it's gonna make. Even though you'll probably see, well, just comment below. Let me know what you guys think it was gonna make. I just want to see your opinions. Got it wired up. I just need a make a bezel to put that on here. Let's see if it starts up. Start it up right away. Alright, let's get out of here.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I finally made it. Just getting here. I guess there's already people there waiting. I'm here in Newark, Jersey. Top Secret Import Tuning. I think that's their name, the shop spot. It's in there. So I guess they're not open yet. I mean, he's supposed to be here at 11. I came pretty early. It's 10:21. Yeah, you can tell I'm excited. What? 376.
Bro, if that's 376, I owe him more. Alright guys, so here we are, Storage Garage. We got Jay built in the house. We got Papas over here. Yo Solo, the man over there. So Papas, what is your estimated horsepower goal for today?
Trying to break 500.
Excuse me?
I'm trying to break 500.
500.
That's the goal.
Interesting, interesting. We got the man over here, Yo Solo. Say what's up, Brody.
What's up?
Real hot over here, real hot. I gotta feature the snake on the little vlog. But let me get Turbo real quick. We got Turbo at his first dyno session.
I'm scared of him, chill. I gotta use like AEM or Fuel Tech or something.
but limit had both.
Yeah?
Okay, bro.
Oh. $14 pounds.
Are we gonna leave it at 14 pounds?
I don't know.
I think you're good there, sir. I think you're good there.
But
Sounds good.
duty cycle's already 70%.
So are you gonna leave it there?
I don't know. Should we send it?
I think we should just leave it there, honestly.
I'm gonna need bigger injectors though. I'm gonna need to get like 2,000.
So leave that shit right there, my nigga.
480.
Leave that shit right there, bro.
Papi, hey, Papi, you leave that thing like that for, hey, don't wrinkle me the face. You put it over there, okay?
And that's on pump with those injectors, with this heat.
That's it.
I'm done with the dyno. It is hot as hell out here. On the way back to New York. So I made a 480 on 14 pounds of boost, which I'm not even mad. Like I'm happy. I wanted to break 500, but I'm right there. So it's like this is I did a little pull and this thing pulls. But also it's like 95 degrees today. Like it's a hot ass day today. It's humid as hell. So probably would have done better with cooler weather. But I guess next time. At least now I can actually drive the car. So now I'm I guess get my bumper back on, clean the interior. This thing is a mess. I ended up not being able to tune on E85. I just tuned on pump gas 93. So what's up, guys? It's the next day. Yesterday was a really crazy day. Like I was just getting my phone was just blowing up. People telling me go live on Instagram. My battery was dead. I had no charger, and all that, and it was hot as hell. Like it was a crazy day yesterday. But yeah, the Instagram definitely already seen this first. I went live on Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you should follow me. They'll probably see everything before videos come out. And yeah, so the car made 480 on 14 pounds of boost on 93 pump gas. I wanted to do flex fuel E85 as well, but I'm not sure what happened. The tuner said that I couldn't run both. I could only do one or the other, so I figured let me do pump, because even though it's not my daily, it's probably like maybe 2 E85 locations, and I don't know, I just wanted the car driving. I didn't want to have to worry about that. Like I will do E85 if I have flex fuel, so I guess, I don't know, I'll get that figured out, because I know people have hit me up when I told them, when they seen what was going on, and they told me they have K Pro, because the tuner said I'm not able to run both with K Pro. I'm not sure, but people I know people that they hit me up and they are running flex fuel and they have K Pro. So I'm not sure if he just didn't know how to do it, or I don't know what happened, but yeah, regardless, I have 1200cc injectors, and he was telling me I was gonna max out, so which is, you know, true. So that's another reason I figured let me just do pump gas, because I guess I don't have the injectors for E85 at the moment. So eventually, you know, I'll upgrade. But for now, I'm gonna just enjoy it. I'm gonna chill with that, and I definitely need to install my AC lines ASAP, because that car was just blowing hot air inside, and I had to have the windows down. Like, yo, it was hot as hell. I don't know why people delete AC. I'm glad I didn't. You know, the car's fast anyway. Like, I'm not gonna delete AC, even if it's not my daily. But yeah, I mean, I didn't really like go crazy stepping on it, but you know, I did a little pulls here and there. And it's definitely gonna be a fun car. Can't wait to get everything together and cleaned up. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And until next time.